Good morning, my dear students. My name is College Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JIS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today discuss the modern concept of total quality management under the subject of the quality and reliability engineering. The quality concept. The first is come here. This is the quality concept. This is the basic quality concept. The what is your the quality concept, and you have to first considerations the what is your product is the good quality product or the best quality product or the average quality of product, and this will be considered according to your the concept of quality. The basically the your products will be maintain your the good quality, then your product will be launched in this market, then your product will be stay in this the long term in your market. That like your the market existence of your product will be the very much high according to your the quality concept. That like your the basic quality concepts. The basic concept of quality assurance and quality management is to be encourage the individual operators to the responsible for the own works. This will be concept of the quality, and the quality terminologies come here. That like your the external and the person who buys the goods or service your products. Basically the external your the quality terminology is comes here. That your the person who is your buy your product, that like your the use of your product, and he is the taken the service for your product, and also the which one is the considered that this will be your product will be the good quality product, but your product is buy from this markets this people, and just like your the customers, and also these customers will be considered the which will be the functioning of your the product, and this is the considered according to your the external agency. That like your the external person, the which one will be buy in your goods or services will be them. Suppose your product will be buy from your the company, but you cannot be serviced properly. That like your the few maintenance also will be required each and every product when you have to use on customers, then these customers will be required for the servicing. Suppose the we have to buy the different type of products like your the mobile, the fridge, AC, inverter, and the each and everything there you have to buy from these markets. Then again this person or the your customers always be mentioned the which one will be the service center. The service center is available of your locality or not. This will be considered according to this your service center is the available in your locality, then this type of products you have to buy very easily. This type of product is used very easily because your the service center is not will be the near to your the locations, then you cannot be take up this type of product, and for this will be the service of your product, and the servicing is the very essential today today for your the customers. That like your the quality terminology, because your the quality is good but your the service center is not near to your the customer location, but this will be not acceptable for this the customers, and this will be considered according to your the external. And another things the quality terminology, that means your considers is the quality policy, and your customer quality policy will be maintained the proper way according to your the company needs. That means the overall quality intentions and directions of an organization as regards quality as formally expressed by top management. That will be your the top management also will be considered the which will be the quality policy, the which will be maintained here the 100% defect free or the 95% defect free, or this will be defect will be the this like your the 50, average defects will be comes, that is the 70% will be the free defect free, and the 30% is the slight defects will be comes on your the production. Then this will be considered, and your the stay, and this is the policy of your the top management. That is the top management will be considered that this is the long time business procedure. Then this will be comes to for your product is the near to tendency near to the zero defects considerations will be comes when your company will be stay for this the long period, and this will be given to this the service for your quality product to this the customers the long runs. Then this will be considered according to this the top management will be set this the goal for this the long term, then this will be considered your the product will be the good quality products will be produced, and there is the any type of defects will be come, then this will be the negative feedbacks will be considered, and take up this negative feedback from these customers, and again this will be concentration your the product will be the good quality, and also there is the no defects will be used considered, that is the product is used for your customers, and also you have to give in to this the service for this the door to door, this will be considered according to your the top managements that like your the quality policy. The changing quality concepts, that like your the quality concept is changed. Quality improvements, that like your the QI is about designing system and processes changes that leads to operational improvements, and organizational culture of quality is one in which concept of quality is ingrained in organizational value, goals, practices and processes. In the context of quality changes, and could be something as discrete as a revised contracts approval process resulting from a QI project. That like your the changing quality concept is come from this the different way. First of all, this will be concept is the come that like your the culture of quality. The each and every employee have to impose your the culture of quality of this product, because your employee or your the employees know the what is your the culture of products, then you have to produce to your the good quality of products, then you have to consider it according to your the concept will be changed. And another things is here that this will be the organization's values, this all members will be required to know what will be the values of your organizations, and what will be the goal of your organization, the which type of product is produced, and the which type of product to reach to this the customers, and the which will be imposed to this the grade A company, the to this the company, and not will be only the faith for your the advertisement, this will be faith for your the customer feedbacks also, that these things will be considered according to your the change of concept of your the quality. The your quality is reaching to your the up to the marks of your the customer needs, then this product will be survive for your the long times, and this will be considerations according to your the goals of your the company. Practices also will be considered. You have to given your the product to your the customers for this the one time, but you cannot be stay for your the second generation. That like your the suppose your the different laptops we can see in our markets, then this few years back you can see the Core i3 will be comes in our this markets, then this will be the new generations will be here. But the today we can see the Core i3 is the 7th generations will be comes, that like your the in between of these types, this will be improve your the products, and also this is the different customers feedbacks is taken by this company, and again this will be motivated your product, and also this will be launched the proper way, the motivated or the upgradation versions to this the, and also this will be reached to your the customers, and then this will be changed to your the quality of your this product. And today this the Core i3 is the older versions also will be considered, but the i7 generation is considered equals to this is the newer version. Similarly, the in the context of quality and also changes could be something as discrete, and as few times we can consider that like your the changes is considered according to your the good quality concepts, and the few times this will be the demonized also will be here. The few cases not will be properly handled to your the new modifications, then your company is not sustain your the market, but this will be considered these things. The total quality management, that like your the TQM, the total quality management, you have to consider the whole things of your the quality of your product, that will be required for the manage. A total approach to quality is the current thinking of today. This will be the current thinking of today, which is popularly called the total quality management. That this will be managed your product is the properly. The idea behind the total quality management is to create a quality culture. Basically, this will be the create a quality culture throughout the organizations. Your organization is not will be have a culture, the which type of product will be produced, the which one will required, that like the total quality will be maintained properly, and also you have to manage your quality properly. But this type of culture is not lies on your company, then you cannot be considered the new type of product will be produced, but your the total considerations will be here. And another things is that the credits for pioneering the concept of total quality management should be based out upon here W.E. Deming of Japan, who introduced this philosophy in Japan over the 4 decades ago. Basically, these people will be considered according to this Japan, that is the total quality management is the concern according to your the candidates will be there in your company. For the you have to mention according to this the philosophy in Japan over this 4 decades ago. Gradually, the concept of total quality management caught the attentions of industrialists. Basically, the each and every industry is also will be given some attentions, the attention about this the products, and all over the world, including India, this will be attentions before the 4 decades. The total quality management you have to mention for your the company, then your product will be launched to this the market, and also the product will be accepted by this the customers, and also this will be mass revenue generated on this company, and also this company will be sustained for the long run. The concept and eliminates of total quality management. Basically, total quality management is a philosophy that believes in a company with responsibility towards quality via fostering a quality culture throughout the organizations. Basically, this will be depends on this the quality will be culture is considered and culture is generated in these organizations. The few type of the left sided company, that like will be this company is the go to hell, then this company you can see that there is the no culture on your the responsibilities, the culture of this the quality will be considered. And that like your the different type of industry. In our education industry, you can see the few colleges, the self-finance colleges, there is a no given most momentum, that like given to this the value of your the faculties, value of the students, that there is the no concept will be considered. This is the you have to produce the quality product, then there is a no culture will be grow. Similarly, the quality culture is the grow in your the company, the all people, and all these organizations, then you can fostering and this the quality cultures, then this will be improve the your total quality. And another things involving continuous improvements in the quality of work of all employees with a view to best meeting the requirements of customers. Basically, the each and every people of your the employees will be required to improve their quality. The continuously improvements will be required each and every people of your the employees, then to understand the which one will be essential for this the customers, the which one will the acceptance of your customers, the what is what the customer needs, the according to these customers, according to your the customers requirements, you have to give and service to this the product, but your product will be staying in this the markets the long term, but there is the no difficulties will be arise during to your the business procedures, during to your the sustainability of your company for this the long times, then always you have to mention your the quality, and as like as this will be imposed this the each and every employee, and a few cases you have to require for some seminar, that like your the seminar is organized during to this the top management, and also this is the message is conveyed to this the all employees, that like your the bottom level to your the top managements, then this will be considered according to this the improvements of your quality for this, and this will be element of this, the total quality management. The following are the basic elements of total quality management. That means the meeting customers requirements. The first thing is here, that like you're the meeting customers requirements, because your the customer is the money, because your customers will be fully satisfied, and the customers is the big advertiser, and you will be the advertise to your product to this the another people, and the another people or customers will be easily take up your product by the knowing for this product the on customers. For this the you have to always require to meeting of your the customers, the customers requirements, the customer satisfaction is the key to the survival and growth of an organizations. Total quality management aims as the at best satisfying the requirements of customers, which never remain constant but keeps changing with change in environment and needs. Basically, we have to consider your the customers is satisfied for this that point at that types, but we have to continue produce this type of product because our customer is satisfied for this product. But the few years after few years, your company is not stay in the environment, because the customer's mood is continuously changed, and you cannot be adapted for your changing of your the customer needs. Then your company not will be survey live the long times, that is the not the service for this the long time to this the customers. For this this cases, the requirements of customers which never remain constant but keep changing with change in environment and needs, preference, etc. of customers. This will be depends on the continuous improvement. The continuous improvement is required for this all aspects of your people and the all aspects of your industry, the all aspects, the any type of industry you have to require for the continuous improvements. The total quality management is a total concept. It involves the integrations. It involves the integration of all functions and processes within our organizations in order to achieve continuous improvements in the quality of products, that like your the service. You can consider your total quality concepts you have to require for your the organization, that like your the continuous improvements. Few cases you have to require for the your training will be required for your the continuous improvements of your product, and also the gain the much knowledge for the few seminar presentations also will be here from the outside. The quality managers or the quality masters will be input inside of your the company and also given a sessions to this for your the improve of the continuous improvement for this your the employees. Moreover, quality is a dynamic concept with the advertisements in technology, and organizations must adapt new processes and redesign products to yield continuous improvements in quality to give the best advantages of technology to customers. Basically, this will be given that like your the organizations must be adapt new process, and few cases we can see this like the considers according to the redesigns and gives to this the best advantage of technology to the customers. Another things is here, involvement of all employees. You can see the one people cannot be improve this quality of the whole type of products, or this will be required for the involvements of all employees will be very much more essential. The total quality management is called people success. That like your the total quality management is considered the people success. According to total quality management philosophy is here, the quality is not the responsibility only. Suppose you have to produce a good quality product, you have to consider this is the only my responsibility, but quality is not the responsibility only of production personnel. Suppose you have to consider which one is the production manager, which one is the production engineer. This will be full imposed that this is the full responsibility of your the production engineers. This will be concept of this the full good type of product is produced. But this is the not will be full responsible only the production personnel. Rather, it is a company wide responsibility that like your the design engineers also design a product, but this will be required to this the implemented through your the good process, and also your production engineer accept these procedures, and this will be work properly, then your the good quality product is produced during to this the system. That like the it is the company wide responsibility. That means the total quality management can be successful only when the total organization is quality conscious. Either you cannot be improvements cannot be produced to this your the good quality products. Suppose the one or two person is the responsibility is given taken, but another person is the not is the taken the full responsibilities, but you cannot be given to your the good quality product to this the customers. You can see hence the nomenclature of this philosophy as total quality management, that is the total quality management hence the nomenclature that like your the total quality management calls for improvements in the quality of works of all employees through popularizing the concept of quality culture. The quality culture, in fact, the total quality management should be the concern of all managers and workers in the organizations. Under Deming's recommendations for successful total quality management, that like the W. Edward Deming makes 14 recommendations to managements for successful total quality management. The general recommendation is given here, that lies the create constancy of purpose for improvements of products, service, and aim of continuous improvements should be reflected in all aspects of organizational strategy. That like your the organizational strategy is the first recommendation is here, that like your the organization is considered according to the continuous improvement, that like the reflected the aspects of your the products. And another thing is here, put everyone in the company to work on the transformations. That like the everyone put on this the transformations, have the patience to accomplish the transformation is here. Adapt the new technology. And a few cases we can see the older person not will be considered to this the adapt for the new technology, because he or she is considered the new technology is the adapt on your company, then your company the cut off few old person, and this will be consideration. And another things is the some fair factors also will be considered according to your the adapted for this the new technology. Another thing is the improve constantly and forever the system of productions, quality and service. Continuous improvement is a competitive imperative here, and end the practice of awarding business on the basis of price tag alone. Another things, do not drive the price down at the cost of quality. Few company we can see the cost will be reduces, but the quality also will be the down. This will be not, do not drive the price down at the cost of quality. The another things you can see, that means the adapt and industry adapt and institute leaderships that like do not attain control at the expense of leaderships is the here. Another things is that the breakdown barriers will be considered between the staff areas. The always you have to record for your the barrier to this the staffs. Another things, develop high level of understandings of to mutual problem solving. Basically, the one people is the not fully understood this type of problem will be the overcome. Then the another people also will be the know this, how this will be overcome this problem. Then this will be required for this the level of understandings to mutual problem solvings throughout the organizations, drive out fear of losing job, punishment, procedure losses, and during to these cases will be fear for you the much more industry that like your the private industry. You can see the fear of losing job. This will be not touching this the any type of equipment. Then suppose your equipment will be break, then you have to consider these people will be the blamed on this one, and also he will be the punishment procedure loses his job. Another thing is they stop to arrange workers. Few cases we can do see the harassments of this worker. We can see eliminate slogans, extortions for the workforce, as these are evidence of failure to manage, to harass the means to speak loudly and angrily to people to the some things. This will be the difficulties here. Institute training a preconditions for continuous improvements. Institute a vigorous programs of educations and self improvements is required. During to these recommendations, the remove barrier that rob people of pride of workmanship, and annual performance and merit rating are the biggest obstacles is here. The annual performance and the few cases we can see that like your the which one is the merit rating, which is the good, which is the bad, and this is the biggest obstacles is comes during to your the these recommendations. The another things is come here, the build quality to product into product. The you have to consider the which one is the good quality, and also this one will be the considers according to this product. The cases depends on mass inspections. Suppose your the mass inspection is considered, then your the mass defects will become, and also you have to improve your quality according to your the defects will be required for removes. Then you have to improve your quality. For this, in fact, the greater the number of inspectors you have to improve, or the joining for this the number of inspectors, the greater the number of defects will be comes on this on your products. And another thing is the eliminate numerical control for workforce. The given to this the numerical control for workforce sends a system to support and help people to ensure that targets are met. That's like you are the given some targets that will be the meet to this year. The advantages of total quality management, the sharpness competitive edge of the enterprise, that like your the total quality management helps an organizations to reduce cost through the elimination of waste, rework, etc. It increases profitability and competitiveness of the enterprise and helps to sharpen the organization's competitive edges. In the globalized economy of today is come here, excellent customer satisfactions will be considered by focusing on customers' requirements, that like your the total quality management makes for excellent customer satisfactions. This lead to more and more sales and excellent relations with the customers is comes during to this the here improvement in organizational performance through the promoting quality culture in the organizations. Total quality management lead to improvements in managerial and operative personnel's performance. The good public image of the enterprise. Total quality management helps to build an image of the enterprise in the minds of the people in society. This is due to stress on total quality system and customers requirements. Under the philosophy of total quality management, better personal relations. Total quality management's aim at promoting mutual trust and openness among employees at all levels in the organizations. This lead to better personal relations in the enterprise. Limitation of total quality management. The philosophy of total quality management suffers from the following major limitations. Waiting for a long time. Total quality management requires significant changes in organizations consisting of the change in methods, process, etc. of organizations, change in attitudes, behavior, etc. of people, launching of total quality management and acceptance of the philosophy of total quality management required a long waiting for the organization. It is not possible to accept and implement total quality management overnight. The problem of labor management relations. The success of total quality management depends on the relationship between the labor and management, because the participation of people at all levels is a prerequisite for the total quality management program implementations in many organizations here and abroad. Labor management relations are quite tense, as such launching, acceptance and implementations of the total quality management program is nothing more than a dream for such organizations. The next class can discuss the contributions of quality masters. Thank you, students.